I honestly didn't really learn how to cook till I was older. My father owned an Italian restaurant back home in El Paso, so I was just always around food and I was always watching the chefs in the kitchen cook. I was always watching him cook, and I also love the Food Network, so I was always just around food where I learned how to do different techniques. Since we own an Italian restaurant, I love pasta. It's like just a guilty pleasure because you could add like a heavy cream sauce or you could add just a marinara tomato sauce, and either one just makes it delicious because you can add so much to it and also so little, but overall it's just a very good dish. I love to cook for other people because it brings everyone together, like at dinner time, whether you're with friends or you're with family, just at the end of the day, you get to just share a meal and talk about your day. My father printed out a lot of cookbooks from the restaurant, and we got to keep one of the last ones, so this is actually one of the recipes that we used to cook at the restaurant. I would always say what my father used to say, read the recipe first, because if you mess up on one thing, the whole dish can go south very easily. So just take your time, read through it, get all your ingredients that you need together so you know what you're using and you're not using too much or too little, and overall just be patient.